you'll get. Okay, कितने questions किए थे उसमें से? Do you remember that? How many questions?
दो.
Okay.
Ma'am, 2
Okay.
questions.
Yes, yes, Srinarayan, you were saying something.
Ma'am, we have done 2 questions.
Okay. So to begin with the third question. Third question is, let's open the PDF. Let's see what is the third question. Oh, it's very easy. Third question is very easy. Can someone read out? Yes, Tanmay Raj, can you read out the third question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tanmay Raj, we are waiting for you to read out the third question. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, write a program that defines a floating point variable
Okay.
in a slice with a dollar value for your income and a second floating point variable in a slice with a value corresponding to a tax rate of 35%.
Okay, so how many variables do we need? 2 variables, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. We need 2 variables here, right? Students, you are all are awake.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Tanmay Raj is awake, others are not yet answering.
Yes,
What
ma'am,
about
we
you,
are-
Harshvardhan? Yes. Manu Charlie, Deep. If you don't respond, there is no point in communicating. No, communication is always a two-way street. Hello, Deep, Darshan, Samirala,
Yes, ma'am.
you all are here.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there? Narayan, Vijay Raj, Harshvardhan. Oh, see, he is sleeping in the class. Somebody call him. Somebody call Harshvardhan. Yes, simply joined. Kalab, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Rishabh. Mr. Sharma?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. Yes. Okay, good. Okay. So in the third question, we are to create 2 variables. The first variable is nothing but it is storing the dollar value of your income. So if your income is, say, for example, 2 lakhs, then you are converting your 2 lakhs into dollar value and then you are storing it in it, right? Now, what is the current conversion rate? Do you know that? The current conversion, current rate of dollars,
No, ma'am.
rupees in dollars. Yes. Okay, then search it. Open a new
Ma'am,
tab.
around 70.
Around 70. Okay, good. Then you can multiply your income with 70 and you can store it inside a floating point variable, right? It's going to have decimals, right? Now, another variable is again a floating point variable with the value corresponding to the tax rate of 35%, meaning you are calculating 35% of your income as tax. Tax is 35% on your income, right? So whatever is the income stored in the first variable, 35% of that will be the answer of the second variable. Okay, are you getting this? Communication, two-way street. Hello, are you getting this? 35%.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 35% of your actual income in dollars is your tax that you are paying. Okay, good. That is second variable. Okay, somebody is writing, Vijay Raj is writing 72.85. Good, it's going to be a floating point variable. Good. Next is what you need to calculate is the amount of tax you must pay with rupees and paisa. So whatever is the tax that you are calculating, 35% of your income, You need to print it in form of rupees and paisa. You know how to extract rupees from whatever is the value and how to extract paisa from a floating point variable. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is the logic of the program. Very simple program. Okay. Once you finish till, question number, which question number we can say till till seven we can finish by today. They're very small, simple questions. Okay, let us start with the third question, then we'll move on to the fourth question. Anybody having any questions in question number third, you can raise your hand, you can talk to me. Very simple question, just two variables and give the output in form of rupees and paisa. Okay. Harshvardhan, are you back? Harshvardhan? See, we lost him. Yes, Dhruvi, we are performing the third question. Dhruvi, are you there? Dhruvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. We are doing third question. In third question, we have to create two floating point variables. Do you have the question list? Do you have the practical list with you? Ruby? Since the
Ma'am.
last... Yes, Pima.
From where did I get question, ma'am? Where's the question, ma'am? Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
I is
Hello, ma'am.
अरे
मैम मीटिंग से लेफ्ट हो गए भाई. कॉल या मैसेज. Hello.
Hello. Yes, the Wi-Fi got disconnected. Yes. Question
Oh my
number
God.
3. Yes, yes, yes. I am here. Yeah.
मैम उसमें सिर्फ टैक्स को ही कन्वर्ट करना है ना रुपीस और पैसे में, और तो सैलरी नहीं करनी ना पूरी.
No, yeah. Input salary also you have to convert it into rupees.
बोथ में टैक्स एंड रुपीस.
Okay, okay. The output you are telling.
यस मैम.
Okay, output should be only, yes, output is in rupees for the calculated tax, not for income. Yes.
ओके मैम. डन देन. डन.
Yeah, can you share your screen? Is it done?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
where is question, ma'am?
Question, I have shared the list in your classroom also. In your Google Classroom also I have shared the list. Ima.
Classroom, right, madam?
Google Classroom. I have shared a link with you.
Question, the paper, they have 40 questions, right, madam?
Yes, I have shared a particular list PDF with you. It is having questions that you have to perform in the lab, okay?
Is this the one, madam? The paper having a 40 questions, madam?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, ma'am. Then I got it, madam. It's in Google Classroom, ma'am. We'll download from there.
Okay, let me check. Okay. Okay. If you are taking the interview, it's going to give you this and press up. Correct. Yes. Panjwani.
Left manual, right, madam?
Yes, lab manual. Yes, exactly.
Okay, madam. Thanks, ma'am.
Panjwani, done. You can stop sharing. Okay. Anybody else who has done the question? Panjwani, you can stop sharing. Hello. We shared this. Okay. Dhanmiraj, are you done with the first question? Anybody else done with the first question? You can share your screen. Oh, very good. Divyajit, I have more questions for you then. It's good. Divyajit, see, you can, do you know the assignment third that I've given? How many questions you have completed from that? Oh, okay, what, can you unmute yourself and talk to me? I'm not able to understand what you are telling. Divyajit, can you unmute yourself and talk? Okay, fine. Yes, anybody facing any issues in question number 3? 25 questions. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Divyajit. Yes, you are saying something.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed till question 12. So now I'm completing the further questions.
Okay. Otherwise, you can move on to assignment number 3 that I have given. There are more interesting questions in assignment 3. Divyajit.
Okay, madam. I'm completing question 13. Then I'll move on to assignment 3.
Yes. Okay. Good. Yes. Okay. This is B batch. No, wait. Okay, B batch I have shared in your Google Classroom. I have shared one lab manual on 10th February. There is a PDF known as lab practical list. That is the PDF that we are doing as we are following as a part of lab manual, and it has 25 questions only. Pima, are you there? Pima, do you get the PDF? Are you getting the PDF? Okay. Who else is done with question number 3? You can share your screen with me.
मैम डन आपने देखा था मैम मेरा
No,
प्रोग्राम
I have seen yours. Panjwani, I have seen yours. You have to move on to question number 4 now, okay?
ओके मैम आई गॉट डिस्कनेक्टेड सॉरी
Yes, no problem. Question number
Ma'am,
4 is
sorry for the interruption. Ma'am, actually, are
Yes,
you
yes.
talking about question number 2 or 3 of assignment 2 or 3?
not assignment 2. We are talking about the lab manual that I have posted in the classroom, Google Classroom.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, actually, I joined a bit late. I was occupied in some college issues, which was being about to be cleared by me for Erasmus program.
Yes, it is fine. So we are actually doing lab manual question number 3 right now.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम फोर्थ वाला अरे से करना है या
Oh, you can
normal?
use array. You can use array if you want. It's fine. It's your flexibility only. I'm not restricting you to use, specific mode of programming. It is fine.
ओके मैम
Yes. Harshvardhan, are you back? Harshvardhan. Darshan Parmar, are you there? Darshan Parmar. Okay, yes. Okay, fine. Bhanushali, which question you are doing?
Ma'am, third one.
Okay, good. Dhruvi, which question you are doing now? Dhruvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which question you are working on?
Third.
Okay, what about Darshan Raj? Darshan Raj, are you there? Yes, which question you are doing? Okay, fine. Third is very easy. It's just a piece of cake. 2-3 lines of code. That's it.
Madam,
Pima, you are not there in between. I lost you in between. Where were you?
when, madam?
I was calling your name so many times. You are not responding.
Oh, I was there, madam. I didn't have, madam.
Okay. Okay. So what are you saying?
In question number 1, madam,
Okay.
what is the difference between single and multiple main, madam?
Okay. We have done this in class also. But Pima, what you can do is you can start writing the program with simple main. Then you can share your screen and help you out with another program. Okay. With the
Yes,
rest of
I have done. Let me share my screen once.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is the one now.
Okay, good. Right now, if this is a single void main program, right? Now, try to write another void main after this. Another void main after this, not hello world. Create one more public static void main.
Okay, ma'am.
One more function, yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, is it allowing you to create one more void main? Is it showing you an error, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you cannot have multiple mains with the same signature in one program, right? In one file. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
if you want to do this, just change the parameter list. Here you are writing string args as parameter, right? Right?
Yes,
One
ma'am.
parameter in the bracket is string args. You remove string args from there. Remove string args as a parameter. Remove the complete parameter. Yes. Args also. Yes. Are you able to create this void main now? See, there are no errors, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is nothing but you are creating multiple void mains with different parameter list. In first parameter list, you are doing string args. In another void main, you are not passing anything, 0 parameters, right? Create one
Yes,
more
ma'am.
void main. One more void main you can create with simple one integer parameter. Okay, you vary the number and type of parameters. Create one
Is
more
it
void.
like, ma'am?
Yes. Yeah. It is still running. When you're running the program for the first time, when you open the editor, it might take few seconds to run.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Create one more void main.
Okay, ma'am.
So it is showing you only one hello world, right? Okay. Yes. Create one more void main. Good. Yeah. Now pass here integer parameter. You can pass here an integer I or something. Okay. Some integer parameter. Yeah. Right. It is allowing you to create, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there is no error, right? So this is how you, yes. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Right. Now, if you want to call that simple main, which is on line number 10, if you want that main to execute, then in your on line number 9, you will mention simple main, right? If you want to call that function, yes, on line number 9, you can put here main. To call a function, what do we use? Name of the function, right? Yes.
Main, right?
Yes, done. I put semicolon at the end. It will execute another main also, right? See, run and check. It will execute 2 hello worlds. Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Getting it now?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm getting now.
Okay. Yes, you can stop sharing. Okay. Done with question number
Ma'am.
3, everybody?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yeah.
If I want to print all the output, madam, instead of this, shall I put main here too, madam, in line number 11 too, madam?
You
12
can
too.
put, okay, that is what you're telling. Okay, yes. See, if you want to execute all the mains from your initial main function on line number 7, you can call all the other mains. Like you have called the first main on line number 9, no. Similarly,
Yes,
after that line, you can call another main also. That is recursion actually. No, not like that. It is recursion. See, you are calling the main with the same parameter list. No, 0 parameters.
Yes.
It is calling itself only, right? Now, write main over there and pass some integer array over there. See, you have on the main function on line number 13, you are passing integer array, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to call that main, you need to pass integer array in the parameter list, right?
Int.
You have to call
Yeah, right.
main. No. Write the name of the function main in the brackets. In the brackets, you need to put curly brackets again. curly bracket. No, put simple brackets and then inside the simple bracket, put curly bracket. Yes. Now write 1, comma 2, comma 3. Write it down. 1, comma 2, comma 3. Any 3 values you can write. Done. Okay. And semicolon at the end, right? Because you are calling integer array arguments main. No, so you are passing some integer values over here. Are you getting
Yeah,
it?
still error, madam.
Yes. Oh, keep your cursor over there. What problem it is showing you? Let me see. No, keep your cursor over there. Mouse, yes. What is it showing? Yes, I want to read that error. Wait. Yes, illegal start. Okay, fine. You have kept rounded brackets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First round and then curly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I got it. Yes. See, you, Pima, do one thing. On line number 13, you are passing integer array, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Integer is capitalized, right? It is int, small case int, yes. Small case int array, no? Int, done. You remove the
ma'am.
integer word, just int. How do you create integers in Java? With just int, yes, done. Right. Now what error it is
Yes.
telling? Again, the same thing. Okay, fine. M-A-I-N SOP. Where is your and curly bracket ending on line number 15 only? Those are curly brackets, right, Pima?
Yes, madam. I used
Okay.
inside parenthesis, madam.
Curly and inside that you're keeping values, no?
Yeah. Main, after main, I used parenthesis, madam. Inside parenthesis, I used curly bracket, madam.
Okay, fine. Then it is correct only. Illegal start. Probably the sequence doesn't matter. Okay, fine. Pima, just create simple variable instead of array over there.
Oh, madam, wait. I knew, madam.
Simple variable instead of array.
I knew, madam.
No. It should be inside main function only. It is correct. It should be inside either one of the mains. Okay.
Oh,
Without functions bracket, you cannot call any other function. Not outside, inside. You are keeping it outside. Yes. Instead of passing integer array on line number 16, remove that brackets. Line number 14, remove the brackets of integer. Yes. Integer only. Remove the no. Ima, let me share my screen with you. Stop sharing.
okay, madam.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, you need to pass, okay? Getting it? With simple integer, without these brackets, remove these brackets, okay? And then when you are calling, just pass some integer value over here. When you are calling, pass some integer for this to execute. Are you getting? Because it is receiving some integer here, no? So pass integer to receive, to call this function. Getting it, Pima? Pima? Okay. Are you there?
Yes, madam.
Did you see what I did?
Ma'am, can you share once, ma'am? I lost connection right at the end, ma'am.
Okay. Like this, you need to call. Okay. Passing some integer number over here so that it calls this body with integer parameter, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. Question number 3 done. Dhruvi, question number 3 is done. Share your screen with me. Dhruvi. Yes, somebody was. Okay, yes, Pranjul, you were saying something.
Ma'am, actually, I'm sorry once again for the interruption. I had done till question number 4. Ma'am, actually, I had a request which I requested for you within the Telegram. Will you please check it out?
What?
Ma'am, actually, I had to leave.
You have to?
Leave.
Why?
Ma'am, I'm actually working with MSc Worksite for my application of Erasmus program as directed by the college. And right now I'm collecting for my documents for the visa. So I'm working with that, and that is compulsory. That is why I'm supposed to leave.
Okay, you can leave. That is fine. But then how will I take your attendance if you're not there in the session? Right. You can talk to your coordinator regarding this, Pranjul. You can talk to your class coordinator regarding this. If he or she is agreeing to attendance, then I'm okay with that. Otherwise, how can I put it?
Okay, fine.
Yes, Dhruvi.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Panjwani. Yeah.
Can I share my screen
Oh, yes.
up somewhere?
Yeah. Okay, yes. What happened? Okay, you are thinking. Okay, good. Okay, fine. Oh. Wouldn't your average be the percentage here?
परसेंटेज तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई होके मिलता है ना.
Okay. Okay, Panjwani, if I am telling that you scored 100 in all these 6 subjects, okay? Then what is your percentage?
100%.
Okay, how do you got that? Because you divided 600 by 6, right?
Divide करना.
No, you understand. No, wait. Oh, wait, bacha. Wait, see. How do you got 100? Because you divided...
I divided 600 by 6.
Exactly, that is your percentage, right? So you are accumulating the sum and dividing it by 6. So in here, in this program, your average is your percentage, no?
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Ah, exactly. Your answer is correct, actually. Done.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, no problem. Yeah. Dhruvi, if you're not sharing your screen, then I will have to remove you from the meeting because you're not in the class. And I will be, of course, not marking you as present, okay? In that case. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Now which question you are doing? 4th one, right? Hello? Yes. Okay, good. Yes, no problem. Yeah. Tanmay Raj, are you done with the 3rd question? Tanmay is not there. Okay.
I'm doing.
Yes, okay, fine. Third is done, no? Third is very easy. Why you are still doing it? It's very easy. Dharmik? Dharmik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which question you are doing?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Third is done?
No, ma'am. वो फिर किया नहीं.
हाँ, तो share your screen with me. Dharmik, share your screen with me.
Yes, ma'am. वो screenshot लेके भेजता हूँ.
Why you can't share your screen?
मोबाइल में है मैम इसलिए.
But just turn your camera, on the other way, and then you show it to me. Dadhania, which question you are doing?
Ma'am, third one.
Third is very easy. You have to get stuck up since so long. You are stuck up in that. No need to do that.
Ma'am, I was absent in last lab, so I'm doing first and second. So right now I'm doing third one. First and second is complete.
Okay, fine. Yes, Tanmaraj, why did you stop sharing? I want to see your program. Tanmaraj?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yes. Dharmik, share your screen with me. Yes, you see, the problem here is that your string S is small. String S should be capital. First issue, okay? Solve it. I'm telling you the issues. Solve these issues right away. Tanmay? Tanmay Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Line number 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Should be capital.
Oh,
15. Okay. Then line number 19. Scanner S is capital.
okay, ma'am.
Both of them, yes. New scanner S is capital.
Ma'am, here also.
Line number 19 again. Go to line number 19 again. Scanner scan equals to new scanner, yes. After that, system S is also capital. Okay. Next, line number 20. Int space I. You are missing a space. Int space I. Okay. Line number 21. There is no space between next int. Next int is one word.
Ma'am, line number 21.
21, yes.
Ma'am, here no space.
No. There should be space. That is line number 20. See. Yes, this is line number 21. Scan
Yes, ma'am.
dot next int. Next int is not having any spacing in between. Yes. Next T. You are missing a T over there.
Ma'am, where?
T. Next int.
Okay, here.
Yeah. Line number 21. Scan dot next int.
Yes, ma'am.
You are missing a T in between. See, next.
Okay, ma'am.
Line number 23.
Yes, ma'am.
Int space I. Line number 26. System S is capital. System dot out. You are forgetting a dot in between. Space is not there. Simply dot is there. Remove the space.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
dot, yes, out dot println. After out, you have to mention dot, not comma. And println, not in. It's println. Yes, now you can run your program and you check the output. Is it okay? And it's outside the class. Scroll up. Let me see. Yes, its class is not there. Okay, scroll up. See line number 14. After line number 14, press enter.
Ma'am, line number 14.
Yes, press enter. Class test. Inside class, it should be there. No space test. Okay.
Ma'am, space test.
Test. Give the name of the class, whatever name of the class you want. Okay. Now open the curly brackets of class. Done. Open the curly brackets of class.
Okay, ma'am.
You can remove TP1. There is no need of TP1. Yes. Open the curly brackets of class. Yes. Open the curly bracket, not close. Curly brackets. And on line number 30, complete the curly bracket of that class. Now run and check. It's the previous, okay, semicolon. Line number 18, you're missing a semicolon at the end of the line. With so many issues, how are you working with arrays and all? If you don't know what is PHVM, how to write SOP, then how are you working with arrays? It's not possible. It's just a copy paste. I understand this. Put a semicolon at the end. Semicolon, not curly bracket. What do you mean by a semicolon? No, it's not that.
फ्लोट परसेंटेज इक्वल टू 0 के बाद डाला है ना वो लिख.
एक मिनट रुक जा.
It is colon, semicolon. Now run and check. Import statement is missing. Scroll up. Scroll up. No, up in the editor, not in the error window. Up in the editor. Okay. Okay. You need to mention import statement over here. Do you remember the import statement from the class?
No, ma'am.
Then what are you doing? Since so many mistakes you are doing, how can I manage in explaining you every single thing? How can I explain this to you? This has been covered in class. Then why are you remaining present only? If you are not understanding this, then what are you doing? Search on Google how to import scanner from, in a new tab, search it on Google. It's copy paste only. I can see it directly from here. If you're copy pasting it, you're not doing it in the correct way also. Search in Google how to import scanner and then do it in your program and then run it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ruby, you are saying something? Yes, Samir Alam, which question you are doing? Samir Alam, which question you are doing?
Ma'am, question number 4.
Which one? I didn't understand. You can type it out in the chat box. 5th done, Panjwani, very good. It's very easy, right? Panjwani, 5th is very easy. Did you use random class or random function? Panjwani. Okay, 4th, fine. Okay, good. That is also fine. Pala, which question you are doing now? Divyajit? Divyajit, are you there? Divyajit? Okay. Radhania, which question you are doing? Deep?
Fourth one.
Okay, third is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Parmar, which question you are doing?
Fifth one, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Fourth, any queries did you face in fourth one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine, yes. Kalab, which question you are doing right now? Kalab, are you there?
हेलो मैम, दिव्यजीत का मैसेज आया कि उसका कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम है, तो आ रहा है वापस ज्वाइन होकर बता रहा है।
Darshan Raj, which question you are working on right now? Darshan Raj?
हेलो मैम,
Yes, Panjwani.
आपने दिव्यजीत को निकाला था क्या?
Ah, yes, he didn't answer. See, this is the rule going to
मैम,
be from... Yeah, what happened?
वो माइक का वो एक्सेस ही ब्लॉक कर रखा है उसने, और नेट नहीं चला तो रीजॉइन हो रहा था, और आपने उसको निकाल ही दिया तो वापस ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा।
If there is some internet issue, then he will be constantly removed, and he'll try to get into it. But he didn't. He was there only. He didn't answer.
तो मैडम ने कहा कि हमारे नेट वच्चे
हेलो मैम,
Yes,
तो मीटिंग
Darshan.
लिंक देगी।
आवाज आ रही है? हेलो।
Yes, I can hear you, Darshan.
यस मैम, फोर्थ वन कर रहा हूँ अभी।
Share your screen with me.
ओके मैम।
If you are not answering, then it's over. Then I'm going to remove you from the meeting, and I'll mark you as absent for sure.
Who, ma'am? Me?
No, I'm telling this to everybody in the meeting. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Now, which question you are working on?
Ma'am,
This
fifth
is
one.
question, right? Okay, fine. Yes, yes.
Fifth one.
Yes, yes. Show me fifth question at the end of the lecture, okay? Don't forget to show it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Srinarayan, which question you are working on? Yes, you can stop presenting. Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, sixth one.
Sixth one. Okay, good, good. Fifth is done, right? Fifth is easy.
No, ma'am. No, fifth one. I'm performing fifth one. Ma'am,
Okay.
I am facing some issue in third one.
Okay, yes, you can share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, I can see your screen, yeah. Okay. Yes, you are right. It is correct only. Yes, what happened?
Oh, now it's working, ma'am.
It's working? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good, good.
Okay.
Kusa, are you there? Enrollment number 63, are you there? Enrollment number 61, are you there? $61. $63. Then why aren't you unmuting yourself and talk to me? Unmute yourself. Which question you are doing? $63, unmute yourself. Which question you are working on right now? Seema, question number 1 is done. Question number 2, which question you are doing right now?
I'm doing question number 3, madam.
Okay, okay, good, good, good. Show me question number 2.
Okay, ma'am.
हेलो मैम।
Yes, Panjwani, yeah.
मैम ऋषभ का मैसेज आया कि अभी नेट इशू है तो ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ।
Rishabh.
हाँ मैम।
Yes, he left recently. I know that. It is fine.
यस मैम।
Yes. Question number. Okay, question number 2 is easy, right? Did you get question number 2? Seema?
Yes, madam.
Multiplying the byte variable by, a certain
Yes,
number
ma'am.
8 times. You understand, right?
Yes, madam. I was there in class while
Okay.
madam was teaching.
Yes, it's good, good. Okay. Now question number 3 you are working on. Show it to me. How much you have done? No. How much you have done? Question number 3 is finished or you are working on that? Show me question number 3.
I'm starting, madam. I have already started.
Okay, fine. Okay, done. Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, Panjwani.
can I present my screen?
Yes, yes, yes.
No, question number 6.
Okay, yeah. Hmm. Okay, I need to explain this in the
No, ma'am,
class.
I know.
Okay, you know, oh, that's very good. Okay, good, good, good. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not
Uh-huh.
getting.
SQL of n.
I'm getting prime every time.
Oh, okay. Just give me 1 second. I will check
What?
the logic. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Less than n. If it is that, if flag is 0, then it is prime. If it is not divisible even once, okay. Okay, yeah. Can you run it? And okay, 4. It is asking. It is telling you is prime.
Prime, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for every number it's telling prime. मतलब ये if में जा ही नहीं रहा.
N module 2 is 0. No, no, no. N module I. Correct. N module I. N is 4. Then, no, no. It will go inside, of course. If it is going inside for 4, right? If you assume for 4 it is divisible by 2 itself, right? So initially itself, it should show you that it is, you know, can you run it again?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, square root से करना है ये.
It is correct only. Square root of.
I'm sorry, non-prime डालना है. 6. मैम पहले 4 में क्यों prime बताया?
Try 4. It's not prime. 4. Okay, you are working. Oh, it should be less than or equals to. Because see, square root of 4 is actually 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So for 2 itself, it will not get in the loop, no? Because 2 is not less than 2. The condition will be false initially itself.
Ma'am, where it is? Ma'am, 2
See.
equal to 2. True one, 2 per module 2 equal to 0.
No,
सही है.
you are right. Right.
Not
But
prime.
I understand. But in the for loop itself, the condition is false. You think if I is starting with 2, what are you checking? 2 is less than 2. In the condition you have written in the middle in the for loop, mat.sqrt of n, right? Think of that condition in the for loop. Yes, think of that condition.
Yes,
Not-
yes, ma'am. 2 is
Now-
less than 1.41.
Yes, yes. No, 2 is less than. Yes, the condition is false, right? So it is not going to
Yes, ma'am.
get inside, no?
Huh. Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Yes. So you have to write at least equals to the square root of n, right? Because 4 का square root तो 2 आएगा. तो 2 is not less than 2, right? But 2 is equals to 2. Anjwani,
yes.
I start થાય છે 2 થી, right? I is starting from 2, right?
Yes,
If I is starting from 2, in the first iteration you are checking 2 is less than square root of 4. Condition is
Yes.
false, right? In the first iteration, it should be less than equals to, right?
अच्छा, ओके मैम. तो यहाँ पे 2 के बदले 1.41 से लूप चालू करूँ?
You can start it with 2 also. That is also fine. No problem. It is also fine. Or you can start with, yes, you can start with 2. It is correct. See, देखो 4 आपने डाला वहां पे पंचवानी.
Yes,
तो 4 के लिए ये कंडीशन गलत आ रहा है, ठीक है?
सिर्फ 4 के लिए आ रहा.
सिर्फ 4 के लिए. You put less than or equals to. Then it will work for 4 also, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Try putting less than or equals to.
इधर.
In the condition itself. In the condition itself, not there. But in the condition on line number 10.
Okay.
On line number,
Yes.
I less than or equals to math.sqrt. No. That is initialization. I less than or equals to. Correct. Now check for 4. It is going to work for 4 also now.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Now check for 6 and check for 5. Check for 2, 3 prime and 2, 3 non-prime numbers. Okay. If it is working, then your logic is correct.
Okay, ma'am. It's working.
Done? Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Yes, no
मैम ये
problem.
मेथड तो ज्यादा यूज ही नहीं करने की ना,
कौन सी मेथड?
स्क्वायर रूट से डिवाइड वाली.
It is actually a better way, less complexity. You see, it is running for half of the number of iterations you were running initially. It is actually the better way. Yeah, less time complexity. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you all can leave the session. I have marked you present and absent already. Okay, you can leave the session, no problem. If you have questions, you can stay. Otherwise, you can leave. Yes, Pima. What happened? I'm not able to hear you. Hello.
Yes, madam.
Yes, what are you saying?
With regards to assignment 2, ma'am, I have few questions, ma'am.
Yes.
I want to solve today, ma'am. So I won't be able to attend class from tomorrow till this weekend, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
From question number 1, right, ma'am? This assignment 2.
Yes.
How can I put this?
Symbols, Greek symbols, right?
Yes, ma'am. New symbol in this, ma'am.
No need to put. Just mention the name of that property. Just mention mean, variance. What you have mentioned here, it is correct only. Those symbols are mathematical symbols, not programming symbols. Okay.
Pardon, ma'am?
Those are mathematical symbols, not programming symbols.
Okay,
right?
ma'am.
So this program
Yes,
is correct. Your program is correct, Pima. It is working fine. It is good.
Okay, ma'am. With regards to question number 2, madam.
Yes, roots of the equation. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. How can I use delta formula, ma'am? I don't know how to use, ma'am. I just
Okay.
use code in root, ma'am, root equation.
That is delta. See what you have written here. No result b square minus 4ac. That is delta only.
But is it correct then, ma'am?
Yes, it is correct then. The way of the way to find roots is this only. It is right.
Okay, ma'am. I thought
No,
there is a different method in delta equation, delta formula, ma'am. So I just wrote code of a quadratic equation.
No, this is correct only, Pima. Yes, what swapping numbers without. Okay, yes, good. Yes, it is correct. Yeah.
It's easy, ma'am. Question number 3.
Yes.
Question number 4. Is it like that, right, ma'am?
Okay. You are taking switch case initially and then, okay. Yes, then another switch case for users. Okay, fine. Yes. Yes, it is correct, Pima.
I use like this, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, it is correct. You submit this on the Google Classroom, okay?
Yes, I will submit right after class, ma'am. Today,
Yes,
ma'am.
whenever you are free, submit it, okay?
Yeah, we'll submit today, ma'am.
That is fine. Yes, no problem.
So I won't be in class from tomorrow till Monday, ma'am.
Oh.
I will be in traveling. From tomorrow, I will be traveling.
No problem. No issues.
With question number 5, madam.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not getting correct answer, ma'am. For me.
In question number 5, that is fine. I'll check it. When you come back, I'll check it, Pima. Don't worry. Okay? Once you come back, I'll check it. Okay? Don't worry.
Yes,
Yeah?
I have completed, madam. But
Okay. Yes.
I face one. Here I face question. I face error, ma'am.
No problem. Once you come back, no, Pima, I'll check because I have another class also. Okay? Right? Is it okay? Once you come back from your leave, I'll check it. Yeah?
See, madam. It's facing like that.
Oh, okay, I understood. The problem is there in the comparison only. Don't worry. Once you come back from your leave, we will check this program. Okay?
When is submission date, madam?
Submission. Okay. For the submission, you can submit first 4. For 5th, you keep the submission pending. Once you will come back, I'll solve and then you can submit again. Okay. Other 4 you submit. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, 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 Prima. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.